Hello everyone, it's me Chevy from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get call recording in iPhone smartphone without using any third-party application. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the settings and now just click on this general and now just click on this software update. Now you need to update to the iOS 18.1 version or higher than that, and after that just move back. Now scroll down below. Now you will see here apps, just click on it. Now scroll down below again. Now you will see here phone, just click on it. Now scroll down again. Now you will see here call recording option, just click on it. Now just turn it on. Now you can minimize it. Now let us try to make a phone call from my iPhone to different smartphone. Now let me open the phone application and let me try to call on my different smartphone. So I have received the call, and now on your iPhone smartphone you can see here on the left top corner one icon appearing. Just click on it. Now you can see here this call will be recorded, as you can see here. So you can see whatever I'm speaking right now, it's recording right now on my iPhone devices. So if you want to stop recording, just click on this red icon. Now your recording will be saved. So now in order to see your recorded audio files, you need to open the Notes application. So now you can see here the audio recorded during the phone call. Just click on it. Now you can just play it to listen to the audio, and if you want to save it also, it's possible. Just tap and hold. And now you will see here save audio to files, or you can share the audio file also. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily get call recording in iPhone smartphone without using any third-party application very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.